Nowadays, people always meet these situations in daily life. People always misplace things and can't find them. When people go out, they always forget to take their things. People want to make an urgent call, but can't find their phones. People like taking photos, but always can't take desired photos. Then, relax. Smart Finder backs you up. Smart Finder can save your time and help you locate misplaced or lost stuffs in seconds. Smart Finder can tell you where your stuff lost or be forgotten. Smart Finder can remind you of your forgotten thing. Smart Finder can help you find your phone in seconds. With Smart Finder, you can take remote photos, group photos, and capture the moments whatever you want. It's all in your hand and mind. Lost things? Find it.